Welcome to my social media and YouTube marketing training. My name is RB with Digital Marketing Netic. This training was held at Stewart Title of Champions in Houston. In this training, I discussed keywords, hashtags, and why they are so important. Where to use keywords and hashtags to increase relevant searches and to promote your social media posts, reels, and YouTube videos. Once keywords are optimized, your content will be shown to audiences who can benefit by providing them with information and keeping them engaged.